California to Texas. Guys, until we get to Arizona, to Phoenix, there's not gonna be much happening on the freeway. I mean, it will all look just like this. Right now we have some construction going on here, but you will see all the desert here. It's gonna look like that for a while. So when we get to Phoenix, I will catch up with you guys and we'll have some lunch, and I'll show you the city from above and let my little drone fly. That looks pretty green for Arizona, huh? Wouldn't believe that, right? You can totally tell we're getting closer to Phoenix. I mean, obviously more traffic, more cars, and obviously the roads are really nice. I mean, as you can see, yeah, compared to LA, a million times better. Look at this. So smooth, you don't really feel anything at all. Downtown Phoenix is in the rise. Let's see. Now we're kind of like blocked by the bridges and the crossovers. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Now you can see the skyline. Alright, see? Downtown Phoenix. That's where we're heading to, and we're trying to find a place where you can eat something, and we're gonna do like a short layover because our next destination, actually where we're gonna actually stay the night, is gonna be El Paso in Texas. So we're actually pretty good on time, so we're gonna do about 1 hour here eating lunch, stretch our legs a little bit. I'm gonna let the drone fly once we're inside of downtown, give you like a good view of the city. And I don't know much about Phoenix, but I think there's not going to be too crazy things, which is like going to be worth it for now. Just stay there at night, you know, because our main goal was to like explore Texas. So just is like a layover. So yeah, let's see what the sign says. There you go, downtown and cultural and sport facilities. Well, I'm surprised. I don't really see any homeless people today or at all in Phoenix so far. I mean, won't call it a day yet, but let's see, because LA is full of homeless people. Anywhere you look, you will see a homeless person, especially after COVID. It got even worse. So I'm actually surprised that it's actually pretty, you know, pretty good. Oh, look at this Starbucks. They even have a Starbucks. Alright, due to COVID restriction, there's not many options where you can go actually eat, so we're gonna just take a quick bite at Subway, grab a sandwich, and go from there. That's right, 535 diesel, D for diesel. No, that's not a mistake. So I'm driving a 5 Series diesel with an xDrive, which basically is the branding of BMW's all-wheel drive system. It's an amazing car. So far on the full tank, I'm getting about over 600 miles. And the tank is about 17 gallons, I think, or maybe 16, I'm not too sure. And honestly, it's an awesome car. Over 40 miles per gallon on the freeway, cruising down on 70, 80 miles an hour. You can't get a better travel car, and it's super smooth. The suspension is amazing. Couldn't wish for a better car. Alright guys, I just made it to Tucson, Arizona, and honestly, there's not really much, in my opinion, that I would like to see, so I'm just passing through. What I'm gonna do is I'm just filling up my car with diesel, and we're gonna get some refreshing drinks, and we're gonna keep going on this one from here. Kind of overfilled it a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but it should be fine. And this is what I got for myself. Starbucks Nitro Cold Brew. So let's see if it's gonna help me to keep me focused. So finally arrived at our destination in El Paso. There was not much going on in Tucson, and I'm telling you guys, it's freezing cold. And the hotel I came to is called one second. The name of the hotel is called La Quinta, and it's kind of like pretty close to the freeway, probably like a few minutes away. And I'm telling you, so far, I mean, we came at night, but El Paso, it looks really great at night. So I'm looking forward to explore tomorrow a little bit. It's not going to be a lot because, as you know, our main destination is going to be Austin and Houston. But we're going to take a look at it, go to downtown, and like again, I'm going to fly my drone. You know how I love that. I'll see you tomorrow when we're going to explore. El Paso, and before that, let me just show you quickly my room. Nothing really fancy, just a bed, you know, to get a good night of sleep, and a little TV over here, and they have like a very cheesy old microwave from 1990 probably, and like a little fridge, and we keep going, a little dining table here, and the bathroom, you know. The bathroom is somewhat okay, you know, not too bad. I don't know though if I'm gonna take a shower here though. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that. But yeah, we'll continue the journey tomorrow.